Oh.
Ah!
Oh. Maybe just two.
Light the blue one. Ah!
Whoa, look at this smoke. Oh, that's awesome.
Oh, that was Wayne.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah, they don't like it. Look at this big ass like hangnail that came out of my fingernail.
Look,
That's cool.
it's the new Saints Row.
This.
Does
Look
it
at that.
hurt?
Yeah, it's bleeding. Look,
Well, why'd you pull it out?
because it was hanging there.
Yeah, it's really called a hangnail.
That came out of my finger.
Like the whole cuticle.
Like the whole
She ripped
cuticle.
off the whole thing.
Are these daytime or nighttime ones?
What are they? Those will chase you.
They
Those are bumblebees.
So would I light it?
Get a punklet first.
What's that?
If you want to do that, those little sticks that they give us to light them. Where's the punks at, baby?
I don't know.
Oh my god, they actually chase you?
They're on the way in here.
How do they chase you?
Okay, here.
Fire
Yeah.
punk.
I want you
Somebody
guys to
pop
get.
that
Yeah.
down before I step
Who's
on
gonna
I'm
let
gonna
off?
put this whole...
Dad, because he's the fastest one here.
Wait, there's more fireworks right there, babe.
Well, don't light stuff.
Those are the daytime ones, at least.
So just put it out in the street.
My daughter, though.
Put it out in
That
the
one
street.
I put it in there, though. I
Okay.
put it in...
Is that a sparkler?
No, it's
No,
just a pump to light
It's like
the
an
fire.
incense stick. It just stays lit.
You guys will each have one to let off fireworks tonight, okay?
It's the...
I gotta let it go for a second. To be sure to see it. And I gotta go put a gauze on my finger.
Okay,
Aw.
now who's gonna chase us? Do the bee thingy. Here, I have...
Who's doing it?
I don't know.
Me.
Dad.
Keep it away from that car. Like,
Yeah,
do it
they
up
will
here in the
change. It's
driveway.
called a bumblebee. It'll kind of like.
Then let's go in the park and do it.
No, we're doing them right here.
Yeah, go in the driveway.
I'll do it.
I'll do it. Stay as far away from
It
the
went
car
out.
as you
You
can.
can do it.
Would it actually chase
No,
you?
no, you can put it on the ground and do it.
It went out.
Yes, you put it on
The
no,
pump
it's
did not
not.
go out.
It's supposed to be like that.
It's just like a cherry.
What happens when it gets you?
Put it on the
It'll
ground.
hurt.
Okay.
Yeah, wait for it to chase after everybody.
Now light the fuse with it. It'll start going. Right the end of the fuse.
That's cool, though. What am I supposed to do?
Is there any more?
Yeah, they have a pack of them. It's
Where
right
they
there.
Give me one.
That scared me.
No,
Then I was
right
gonna die.
Dad, looks
Give me
like
one.
it's gonna rain.
I think I rain.
She had it upside down.
She had it upside down. 'Cause they're
Yeah,
supposed
the
to like.
wings were down.
See, it says top. Look, top.
Blizzard, you're blonde.
Okay. Okay, move, boys.
It's gonna come right at me.
When it says top, put it on top, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we weren't sure what that one was gonna do.
Did it scare you?
I want to light one. I want to
Are
light
there any more of those things?
Yeah,
Yes,
I have the whole box. I
Let
want to light one.
them each light one. Take turns.
Shaking.
Oh, you didn't know what you thought was gonna come at you?
Make sure it's lit. Yeah, pop up.
Yeah, run, dude.
Wow, light bite.
Yeah. Right. Come on, Chase. You got it. He's shaking. Look at him.
Whoa! My turn!
Okay, who's next?
It's blue smoke.
What?
Wait until I get on the way. I think it's blue.
No! Are you colorblind? You gotta take the stick and run, Tyler.
We didn't get marshmallows though for s'mores.
Oh well.
We're having a good
We
time.
don't have any way to do s'mores anyway.
We can fire.
What?
We got brushwood out back. Oh, that's all I do. I don't know, but that backpack's for my daughter.
Is there still something in there?
No, she's separated
Yeah,
everything
it's red.
night and day. What are you doing?
Okay, no, Cindy's not doing it. I thought it went out. Here.
The pump's not going to go out until you let it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where is it?
You all, what?
Smells like fireworks.
Well, she's going to have fun with that.
Back up, guys.
Flammable.
Well, she's going to put fun by it.
It went upside down.
Oh.
My turn.
Okay, next boy.
That's just scary.
You all have to take time.
Yeah, it's scary. Right when it
Alright,
lights, you just
take it.
want to run.
Kenzie, are you gonna do one or are you too chicken? Oh, I'm too chicken. Okay. I always get burnt with things like this. I want to light these three together. With that thing.
heck? Let's go.
Do I have to pick it up?
No, don't pick it up.
My flash on.
Make sure it's on it. Make sure that thing's red. I don't.
It is red. Right when I see a spark, I'm gonna run. So am I, but I'm gonna get trapped.
Here, 1 second. Take it away for a minute. There you go.
Closer.
Guys, back up a little bit, I would.
Boom!
Well, I'm not standing in the way.
Hey, watch out.
I got cameras at nighttime though. Look at her. Look at the pussy.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Oh! Where'd it go?
I don't know where it went. It disappeared.
Can I use some snappers?
We saving a box for my daughter because you guys got most of the snappers, but we're
Oh,
saving
yeah.
one box for my. Those are for nighttime, baby. Those are blossoms.
Yeah, they're gonna spin.
Yeah, but they're for
Guys,
nighttime.
I will
They
watch
have pretty colors on them.
Oh, we should do it. Doing it again?
I'm not. I'm shaking.
Oh.
Why did we judge on you?
That one was cool.
Where's the
Why
smoke
did it
bomb?
stay on the ground?
Yeah.
Did you guys let off all the smoke bombs?
I don't see that. I don't see anything.
Did you let off all the smoke bombs?
Those are like cherry
That
bombs.
was dumb.
I
really
know,
dumb.
but they're daytime ones.
What is that?
He ain't even scared.
Oh.
What are you doing? Those are nighttime.
Okay. Oh, that's it.
These are scaring me.
Awesome.
Those are more fun at nighttime because they got colorful.
Yeah.
He's gonna do. He's probably gonna do another one.
Maybe we're gonna have a good time tonight with our
Oh my god.
Those are without the colors.
Yeah, we'll have that
Okay,
fun.
let's turn this around.
I'm gonna do one of those flare bombs.
We're gonna do the night ones at night. Hey, what's this stuff, Elizabeth? All these big things. Put them up, please, until nighttime, please.
I didn't see those ones.
What are those big?
We're
What
putting
are those like
those are all
colorful
nighttime
things?
ones.
What's those colorful bomb
Wait,
things?
so what are these? Oh,
Put the punk out and tell
we
them
should do these. These ones are just loud. I don't think there's any color to
Those
them.
firecrackers.
Until my daughter gets here.
Those are firecrackers.
Other daughter.
We should do these ones. Cover your ears, because Trilly doesn't like really loud things.
She's not gonna like any of this. You wanna do a spark
Cover
plug?
your ears.
Yeah, I'm just.
Well, we still have these. Who wants to do another one?
Here, I can
I'll
do
do
one.
Okay.
Here.
Like that.
Oh.
Put in these are the
Well, we have 3 more.
These are the boxes.
You have more? You have more?
That's a ball row of yellow jackets.
I want to do another one.
There's a whole other box.
Hey, those are night ones.
Hey, the dog's out. Okay.
That dog's always been out.
My dog's not gonna go nowhere.
Okay, we have one more. Who wants to do the last?
These are for night.
Run for it. I got
Finally.
Okay.
No one, you want one?
Yeah.
Give me the fire stick.
You're gonna do it?
Don't touch me with
These things
it.
are dumb.
Hold on.
Fun.
No, they're not.
I'm gonna do
Oh,
it.
I think I'm a little box.
Oh,
We'll just light off the daytime one. And this is a daytime one. Are these more kids than these? Yeah, they're all cool.
I'm not scared.
Put the trash in there, please.
I'm gonna see you running to that lamppost.
And then we'll piece of this.
Awesome.
Let's get out of the way.
Whoa.
Flare. Yes, my turn. Hold on this. At least you're not dying today.
Really? Don't let it off my cars. Oh, they're just smoke bombs. No, you gotta make it bigger.
Whoa, this thing's awesome.
No, this is like, don't step on it. Do another one. Curtis, do another one.
Hold on. He's gonna light one.
Green fuse and then a bunch of little.
Okay. on, Mill.
The rest are done for night.